swarm call. We're gonna save them. We are following a swarm. We missed them and they took off. Come on, Heath, this way. They're all right here. Let's see where they go. This is a first for me. Thousands of bees. We missed the swarm. We got to them, we shook it, and right when we shook it, they all took off. It was like right when we were shaking. Kind of in the middle of them right now. I think they're starting to congregate over here. There's some bees landing on the bush over here, but only a few, 5 or 10. They might make this bush their okay. They're congregating over here. Still hovering around between those trees and that bush. Between that bush and those trees. What are they going to do? They're also going over by that tree. Yeah, they're starting to move to this tree over here. I think they're starting to do something. Yeah, they're getting lower and more condensed. I think it's going to be that limb up there. Right. Let's see. Right about there in that area. I think that's where they're going to go. Oh, yep, they're starting to congregate. Right there. They are starting to swarm onto that limb. So, about 10 minutes they've moved from way over there at that bush right there to zoom out that limb right there. So I'm going to get my hive and set it down right below them and give them a little bit. So this swarm has now moved over here. And it's a little, maybe a little lower, right on this fence line. There they are. If we give them 5 or 10 minutes, they'll finally calm down. Look at them. Let's see. get the drone. Goal is to get them to drop from there to there. Let's see what we can do. Good. So we've got them out of this tree finally, cut a limb down. We've got a good amount in there and almost all of them, the rest of them in there, and some of them decide to go up and swarm right there. But I'd say probably about 60 to 70% of them are in that hive, maybe even more. So we're gonna give them some time to calm down and it'll be good. So when we first started, they were around that house. They traveled this way between those two trees. Then they traveled all the way over here up into that tree. And now we got them in two hives with a lot of them in that small nuke we made together.
Did you bring the other lid over?
I did not. It's right there.
You want to push them in there?
Yeah, let's go ahead and start doing that. Almost got them all taken care of. Just a few left to get in there. And we'll be taking them home.